Um, Hi folks, so here's an example of a data collection. Hope you can see that. So where did it go here? Now, there's this data here will be very hard to graph. For example, if I choose all of that, highlight that. See that? It comes up with no data. I wonder why that is. Anyone know why? Well, here's the reason why. Because all these cells, each and every rectangular piece here, known as cells, they all need to have only number values, so no words in them, no symbols, just straight number values. So these need to be converted to numbers. So what I mean by that is just typing in, literally that's 290, that's 330, and that is 350 as well. And now if you go ahead and graph those, make sure you only select those, and voila, you get your bar graph. Likewise, and I can park it to the side. I haven't done any modifications or enhancement. I'm just going to park it on the side here, and then I'm going to look at my the number of apps I'm using. You probably need to change that in case it doesn't look like this. Rather, you need to have only numbers in there. Likewise, this should say 10.5, 11, 10.5, 11, 10.5, 8. You can't say 8 or more. You just got to have a number in there. And if you have any blanks, then in this case there's no blanks for this example here, so I'm all right. So once again, look, it'll be very hard for me to graph this. It comes up as no data, and if you would like to track it over time, over the number of days, you can also do a time series graph, but first of all you need to change all of this and have just number values. Okay, I hope that makes sense.